Babes, your live dating and relationship coach. I know it's been a while since I posted a new video. I was doing something else, like my job is really hectic and moving here and there makes things like this very difficult. But I apologize, and we are gonna bring in more videos like this every now and then. Okay, so today was on the floor. This is a request from a friend. I don't want to mention her name, but this is a request from a friend that I talk about social media dating. It's not about getting a partner on social media, but however, it's about posting everything that goes in your relationship on social media. It has become really common that everybody posts literally anything in his or her relationship on social media, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Don't go anywhere. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button right there so that you'll be the first person to watch any new uploaded video. Stay tuned. Let's get started. The number one reason why you should not be posting everything in your relationship on social media is that you give access or you give the password to your relationship to the public. It's easy. Okay, so let me explain this one. Relationship is between you and your partner, right? Now, unlike marriage where it becomes family thing or public thing, now in relationship it's more or less like you are now trying to figure things out to make things work for both of you. Now, here's the case: if you start posting everything on social media, or today you fight, you post on social media, today you are in a good mood with your partner, you post on social media, today she did something wrong or he does something right, then you post everything on social media. Like, sometimes people start to question themselves about your relationship, and then you see people testing you. Hey, what is wrong? What did he do? What happens? Sometimes you'll be posting like, it's better to give your money to dogs or to use your money to real dogs than to even give to a female. Now, all this the moment your friend sees this kind of comment, comment on your social media platforms, they're gonna test you. They're gonna know that, there's something going wrong with this dude. That's one thing. So people get access in your relationship every time. They know whatever is going on in your relationship. That's why you don't have to. And relationship is not like you are married. You are trying to get something out of that dating. So don't try posting everything on social media. It makes it very dangerous for you by giving your password or the relationship password to the public. Now let's talk about the second reason why you should not be posting everything in your relationship on social media. It doesn't make you mature. Seriously. I know this is gonna hit some guys and some girls, but listen, if you are in a relationship or even in marriage and every little thing that happens between you and your partner is on social media, you post everything on Facebook, on Instagram, on your WhatsApp status, and everywhere, Twitter and the rest, it doesn't make you mature. It means that you seek validation from other people. So if you think you are more mature enough as a man, as a woman, you should not. You shouldn't. If you have any problem with your partner, go straight to the person, sit down with the person, and solve it. If you start posting things on social media and you think you are mature, people are just laughing at you. Like you are behaving like a kid. Even your children, your sister, your younger siblings will not even do that. But you, as a mature person, as you call yourself, as a university graduate, or whoever you call yourself, you start posting any problem you have with your partner on social media. It doesn't make you mature. It doesn't at all. So desist from that. The last reason why you should not be posting everything on social media about your relationship. I mean, this one applies to all marriages and all types of relationships, either it's friendship, like platonic relationship or whatever, romantic relationship, anything, this one applies. Okay, so just align all these tips I'm giving you to you today in any kind of relationship that you are in. So the third point I'm gonna give you is you make the other person uncomfortable. Seriously. So if you have problem with somebody, or if you're in a relationship and there is a situation beyond your limit and both of you cannot solve it, and the person just see it on your social media platform, it's like, so what is this person trying to say? You make the person uncomfortable and then you lose your trust at the moment. So it's like, okay, we have some differences, right? I understand. Now, why is it on social media? Why is it on public? How do I trust this person? That makes your trust with other people very, very fragile. Okay, and the moment you start losing your trust from people, that means that's the end of your relationship, no matter what. Okay, now I understand sometimes you don't just literally post the person directly. The comment that you post on your social media, the words you write, you know directly where you are directing that comment to. You know whom you want to see this comment. And it's not right. Okay? It's not right. So make sure if you have any issue in your relationship, it just come back to solving it first. Solve it. Solve it. Stop seeking validations in your relationship from other people whom you might not even know. Sometimes some of you have Instagram followers about 10,000, 3,000 or whatever, and you don't even know these people, and you just post something about your relationship and you want them to comment on it, and some of them are going to give you comment that validates your stupidity, excuse my language. So please, if you have any issue in your relationship, try solving it and stop posting things on social media about your relationship to get confirmation. Now I will end here, and I think I just came back. This is just a wrap up I just wanted to do for a friend. So we are gonna start serious business from, let's see, next week, next month, thereabout. And keep watching. I'm gonna be bringing you hot topics, and we are gonna all learn together. Don't forget, in a relationship or whatever you do, be wise and vigilant. Boom.